I'm working with teams and leaders, very often they want to talk about how to nurture internal talent. And in an earlier video, I have shared some tips about how you can recognize those people that could be part of your succession plan moving forward. I talked about adaptability, focusing on customers, being positive in their approach. The other piece is being calm under pressure, because far too often I'm called in to deal with team conflicts, which often arise from misunderstandings and miscommunications. And that's very often because we lose ourselves in an argument. We lose our points, we lose our composure, we react, we get defensive, and that doesn't really lend itself to finding solutions. So have a look at your teams about how they behave during conflict. Now, it doesn't have to be a big conflict. It could be a debate about how we solve a particular problem. And if you can see that they can be pretty much together when they're formulating a discussion, taking part in a discussion, and they keep their composure, then it's likely they're going to be future talent for your team. If you'd like to know more about team development, then drop me a message and get in touch.